Hey there, I'm Kai, and I'm kind of obsessed with tech. You know, the kind that's changing our world?
Recently, I've been hearing a lot about something called GenAI. It sounds cool, but what exactly is it?
Turns out GenAI is like giving machines a super smart brain. They can learn, reason, and even be creative, just like us. It's not just one thing, though. GenAI combines stuff like machine learning, natural language processing, and computer vision. The cool part? GenAI systems can learn from experience and adapt to new situations. It's like they're growing up.
Let's break it down a bit. First, there's machine learning. It's how AI systems learn from data and get better over time. Then there are neural networks. They're inspired by our brains and help AI recognize patterns and make decisions. And cognitive architectures? They're like the framework that brings all these AI systems together to work as one. I started noticing GenAI everywhere. You know Siri and Alexa? Yep, they use GenAI to understand what we're saying. And those apps that can recognize what's in a photo, that's GenAI too.
GenAI is all around us, making our lives easier in ways we might not even realize. And the more I learned, the more fascinated I became with its potential.
But here's where it gets really exciting. GenAI isn't just changing how we interact with tech, it's changing entire industries. Take education, for example. GenAI could create personalized learning experiences for every student. Imagine having a virtual tutor that knows exactly how you learn best and adapts its teaching style just for you. In the workplace, GenAI could take over repetitive tasks, freeing up humans to focus on more creative and strategic work. And in science and research, GenAI could help us make breakthrough discoveries by analyzing massive amounts of data. Imagine cars that can drive themselves or robots that can work alongside humans in factories. In healthcare, GenAI could help doctors develop personalized treatments for each patient. How cool is that? The possibilities are endless with GenAI.
But with great power comes great responsibility, right? There are some concerns about GenAI too.
Like what happens to jobs that can be done by AI? And how do we make sure AI systems are fair and unbiased? There's also the question of security. How do we protect GenAI systems from being hacked or misused? These are big questions, but I think the potential benefits of GenAI are huge. I mean, just last week I was stuck on this really tough coding problem for my school project. I decided to try using a GenAI coding assistant, and wow! It not only helped me solve the problem, but explained the solution in a way that made total sense to me. That's when it hit me. GenAI isn't just some far-off future tech. It's here now, and it's already making a difference. And it's not just in coding. GenAI is already being used in scientific research, helping to develop new medicines and materials. It's helping artists create new forms of digital art and musicians compose original songs. In business, GenAI is powering chatbots that can handle customer service inquiries 24/7. And in environmental science, it's helping us better understand and predict climate change. The possibilities seem endless, and we're really just at the beginning of what GenAI can do. Of course, as we develop these powerful technologies, we need to think carefully about how we use them. We need to ensure that GenAI is developed responsibly, with strong ethical guidelines and safeguards in place. But if we can do that, I believe GenAI has the potential to solve some of our biggest global challenges, from fighting disease to combating climate change, from improving education to advancing scientific discovery. As we continue to develop GenAI, who knows what amazing things we'll be able to achieve. One thing's for sure, the future is going to be exciting, and I can't wait to be part of it. So, what do you think? Are you as excited about GenAI as I am? What would you do with this incredible technology? Whatever it is, remember, the future is ours to shape. Let's make it an amazing one.